700 exercise number 17 second half dictation speed 90 to 100 start. Man had already cut up the day into 24 hours, and he now agreed to cut up the earth into 24 division, each division, of course, measuring about 1000 miles at its widest point, full stop. The time over the whole of each division was to be the same, the time in each division differing by just 1 hour from the time to time in the next division, full stop. We, therefore, have a system whereby the minutes and the seconds are the same all over the world, but the hour is 1 hour earlier for each division. As we move towards the east, full stop, now we will say that in the first of these divisions, New Year's Day begins, full stop, hour by hour, New Year's Day reaches and passes through one of the 24 divisions until at the end of 24 hours it is in the last division, full stop. By that time, the day is coming to an end in the first division, and the second of the January is beginning, full stop. But the last division, 2, must have its full day, and 24 hours must pass before New Year's Day really comes to an end and dies in the last of the 24 divisions, full stop. The 1st of January lives for 84 hours, full stop, but while the 1st of January has been continuing its life in this way, the 2nd of January has been moving round the world, full stop. The first hour of the 2nd of January reaches the last division just as the 24 hour of the 1st of January dies, and at the same moment the 3rd of January begins in the first division, full stop. And so we are faced with the strange truth that while a day lasts 48 hours, there is between the 1st and the 3rd of January no break at all, full stop. People in one country can hear 5 hours back coming to them over the air, hearing in another country, full stop. And the people of that country can have the equally remarkable experience of hearing 5 hours forward, full stop. They can hear the people of another country seeing the new year in while it is for them the early evening of the last day of old year, full stop. And if we are covering a long distance by ship, we have the experience of finding that a certain day can last only 23 hours or for as long as 25 hours,